And here are the 3 things to do for this Sunday in the territories of the ancient county of Gorizia. One of the 3 things absolutely must be done before the end of the world. So one of the 3 things you must come and do in these territories that are also those of Gotwu 1025. Let's start with our first choice. Here it is in St. Ignatius. Here it is one of the many celebrations, the St. Ignatius, that is of the construction of the church in the city center in Victory Square. As you can see from the Promotorismo FVG website, 300 years of St. Ignatius. This is a part of the poster with the parish of St. Ignatius inaugurating some events and talking precisely about what was done in the 723. But we talk about that later. Promotorismo's fact sheet. Here it is. St. Ignatius Church, Victory Square, Sunday, November 26, 2023, in Gorizia. There are a variety of times, a small description. In 1623, Christopher Taus finished the facade of St. Ignatius Church to celebrate the 300th anniversary of St. Ignatius Church and to learn more about one of Gorizia's most important and well-known monuments. Today's afternoon will be dedicated to art with the following events. At 17 o'clock, the possibility of visiting one of the women's galleries, having an unusual view of the church that also allows a closer look at the ceiling frescoes. And at 17:30 conference by Father Andrea Dell'Asta, who entered the Society of Jesus after studying architecture, the work of Andrea Pozzo and Baroque spirituality, that will provide a rereading of the work of Christopher Taus in the context of 18th century European culture. There will also be Baroque music offered by violinists Carlo and Laura Grandi. And that is the first thing to do for this Sunday in the territories of the ancient county of Gorizia. The second thing to do, we move and go to Monfalcone with a historical thing in the city of shipyards. That is the 19th Canta Festival della Biciacaria, the Sanremo Festival of Biciacaria, if you will, on Sunday, November 26th at the Bonesi Municipal Theatre in Monfalcone. This is the poster in the Promotourism card 20:30 o'clock, Monfalcone Municipal Theatre, Marlena Bonezzi, Coso del Popolo 20, Monfalcone is free offer. Description: the gala evening with the Biciaco Festival, an evening show filled with surprises and fun. Artistic direction Giancarlo Blasini, musical direction Roberto Montanari. 10 songs in the competition. The winning song will be crowned thanks to the votes of the 3 juries of the artistic public and the municipalities. Carlo Blasini and Cristina Allegra will present. Please note that the guest will be cabaret performer Giovanni Cacioppo. As for reservations, 0481 411 525. And that is the second thing to do for this Sunday in the territories of the ancient county of Gorizia. The third thing to do, we go back to the right Isonzo and we go to Cormon's curtain guys traveling with the Little Prince. Let's see the Promotorismo card. Here is the photo of the actors, the Promotorismo card. Sunday the 26th of November at 16 o'clock in Cormon's at the Cormon's Municipal Theatre. There is a fun and exciting way to spend a Sunday afternoon with the family, young and old, together in the theatre, to experience magical moments and let the imagination and the journey with Little Prince fly. This childhood classic encourages us to do something that is not always easy, to see with the heart, to feel deeply, to not stop at appearances. And this is the third thing to do for this Sunday in the territories of the ancient county of Gorizia, Cormon's Municipal Theatre, 16 o'clock, organized by associated artists. And these are the 3 things to do for this Sunday in the territories of the ancient county of Gorizia, which are also those of Geo 2025, territories on the border between Italy and Slovenia. That's all we said for today. That's all we have. We thank you for staying with us. If you pass through our parts and subscribe to the page, you allow us to be company for more and more people. That's all we said for today. We will see you next week, same place, same time. Bye.